Aldi. Aldi is yet to let me down. Burgers, kebabs, sorted. That's the next stop. Got all our gift bags. Time to go. Oh Lord. The boys. I can honestly say I've never seen that before. Barbecue, ketchup and mayo all on a burger. Go on, show me some skill. The team working. Enjoying the scram. Good. Good. This table's being polished. Happy, happy! This one, yeah. Took me Crocs, didn't you? Put them back now though. Because he knows who the king is. No.